Today we are going to upgrade this old Cambridge Audio 551P by inserting a new upcycling card. So here is the PhonOh 756. It is a full moving magnet and moving coil phono stage, and it can be placed in any suitable enclosure, including all the Cambridge Audio Phono Stages from the 540p through to the CP2. So that's the 540p, 640p, 551p, 651p, CP1 and CP2. The same board can be used to upcycle any of these. So why don't we just get started? Put this to the side for the moment. You're going to need a PH2 Phillips type screwdriver. Screws. So those are the main case ones at the back. You've now got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that hold the connectors in place. 4, 5, 6, and then we got another 6 on the bottom. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. The base plate then just slides backwards and you can lift it off. There is the original circuit board in there. What we're going to do is take these two screws out first. And with those out, you can now slide the front panel and the PCB together out of the chassis. So holding like that, just gently push, out it comes. You can put your top cover to the side. Now the PCB is held to the front panel with these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. But before we take that off, let's just take the power LED connector out here. Just slips up. Okay, so again, same screwdriver. 1, 2, and 3. And that's the front panel separated from the circuit board. The last thing we need to do with this is take the cap off the power switch. So hold it firmly and just pull. This may be quite tight. Oh no, that was okay. One push button. We're now finished with the original PCB. So we take the new maudifi PhonOh 756 PCB, take your push button switch cap and gently push it over. There we go. Heard that click into place. Simple as that. We'll fit the power LED connector in here. Click. Push that down. Oh. First screw in here. Second screw in there. Third screw in the center hole. Now we can take our top cover, slide the new assembly in like so. That's it. We're all done here. At this point, certainly for the 551p chassis, the 540p as well, set the piano switches according to your particular cartridge requirements. Align the ground tag here with the screw hole in the RCA connector top. slip the cover over that. Just insert our screw, which goes through the casing and the ground tag. Start putting the rest of the final screw. That's it. The last step is to take your maudifi serial number sticker, peel off one side at a time, attach that, peel off the other side, smooth it into place there. There we have it. One maudifi PhonOh 756 moving magnet and moving coil phono stage installed to upcycle an old Cambridge Audio 551P chassis. That's it done. Thanks for watching. I hope that's been useful, and happy listening.